How to make calls using Google Voice on both mobile app and desktop. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device and sign in with your Google account. To make a call, tap on the green dial icon at the lower right corner and enter the phone number you want to call or select a contact from your list. Then press the call button to start the call. During the call, you can use features like mute, speakerphone, and keypad to navigate automated systems. If you want to end the call, simply tap the end call button. For desktop, open your browser and go to voice.google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you are on the dashboard, you will see the number pad at the bottom right corner. From here, type the number you want to call or choose from your contact list if it's synced with your Google account. After entering the number, click on the call button to begin the call. You will also see options to adjust the microphone and speaker settings to ensure clear audio during the call. Now you know how to make calls using Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.